So this adventitious root system can be both underground and above the ground. So these adventitious roots, it can develop in both underground or above the ground, which means, for example, in the case of rhizome, okay, in the case of rhizome, these adventitious roots can develop from the rhizome, which is under the ground, which is developed under the ground. But in case of epiphytic roots of vanda, these adventitious roots are termed as aerial roots. Okay, these adventitious roots are termed as aerial roots, which is developed above the ground. And what is the peculiarity of these adventitious roots that is present in vanda? It is an orchid plant. And what is the peculiarity of these adventitious roots? So these aerial roots, they have a special type of tissue called velamin tissue, and this tissue helps in the absorption of moisture from the air. Okay, so next point is, a number of large roots arises in cluster. So we have already said that the adventitious roots, these roots can arise either from the nodes, from the leaves, or from the internodal regions also. Okay, so these roots, they appear in a large number and they appear as a cluster in form. Next point is, if this adventitious root system is underground, they are usually a surface feeder, which means if this adventitious root system is surface feeder, means the roots that cannot penetrate deep into the soil. So they are called surface feeder. Next point is, all roots are generally fibrous in nature. So these adventitious roots, all the roots are generally fibrous in nature. They appear